Hello everybody, Brian here, quantlabs.net. Just wanted to show you the latest Forex set of pairs that I've got. It's not many, but 4. You can see it's quite a big move here. Sharp ratio of 2.66. Blue is the trade masking time up for the currencies. Yellow is the benchmark S&P 500. We have a max drawdown of negative 36, which can be a concern for many people. But what I'm looking now is this metric right here, month to date. So basically that's the month to date currently, negative 1.51. A lot of the sectors that I've seen are all negative for August for whatever reason. And if you want to know more about this, I'll put the which currency pairs, the automated optimized weightings for these as well. You can get more information on what I do by signing up here at quantlabs.net/books for how to trade like a boss as well. If you're interested in getting behind the paywall, just join here at quantlabs.net/academy/buy-quant-analytics. That's pretty well it. I'll put all those in the description. Thanks for watching.